The last time I was here in the beginning of the year, we did some cookies and ended the video. But I really want to check out those roads over there, and that's what we're doing today. We just got some new tires on. I'll see how that goes. So let's just jump straight into the video. Parking lot in the middle of nowhere. That was nice. And the roads aren't too bumpy, they're pretty smooth. Anytime you go explore new roads, one of the things you have to consider is make sure the roads aren't bumpy, because doing this, flying double the speed, or I'm sorry, driving the speed limit and hitting these bumps around the corner, not fun. Let's hear some exhaust notes. We're gonna go ahead and go back here and check out this view. Yeah, whenever your tires are too sticky and you can't drift anymore, you can just go ahead and another reason why it's good to come up here when it's dry, aside from spirited driving, you get to A, enjoy the view, B, find the spots when it is raining. That way, if you find some good corners, like the ones we'll probably see, then we're gonna come back here when it's raining and do a strictly drift video. My phone stopped working, or I messed up, so we didn't have a map there for a bit. But yeah, we'll continue recording. There was just some bumps on the way. Nothing too exciting happened. We just drove by one cool drift spot. But it looks like we're coming across some fun corners anyways. So we'll go ahead and at least get this far. So beautiful to drift. Right after this corner, we're gonna go ahead and switch to a different POV just to change it up a bit as we finish exploring these roads. We're like 4 miles away, as you can tell from the map, and we're gonna get there, see what the hype was all about, or if I wasted my... Oh, no, I didn't waste my time. This was actually a really fun drive. I enjoyed it. The views were beautiful. The corners are beautiful. But yeah, I'll shut up. realized I'm walking on the street and they have like an actual little place to walk. Like and subscribe for more videos. We're gonna go ahead and do the cookie we wanted to do on the way out, and